Assalamu alaikum, people. Shalom. What's good with it? This is your boy Musa, touching down with you to all my black peoples on the four corners of this earth. What it do? My particular subject is today. It's not really the subject. It's just issues. You know, we got to do better as a people. I mean, we done went through the early 80 days, light skin, the dark skin thing. Till you got this and I don't have nothing type of thing. And if you just sit back and peep game, the enemy is orchestrating this long time ago. You know, I talked about the milk of fear that the Honorable Elijah Muhammad talked about. And look what it's doing to our generation. Now, I'm not knocking nobody's success. Don't get me wrong. I love anybody who get any type of accolades or honors. You know, it need to be said. But you know, your girl got got a Grammy for the best. Was it best female artist album, whatnot? But can I ask y'all a question? What type of music does she promote? I know she's a mother now. Maybe that she probably changed and evolved. But what did she promote? Now you know they used to go after Luke and Two Live Crew back in the day for him doing this thing. You know they called him controversial. See, it's always when it's a strong man figure. A strong man figure America don't want. They want the black man to be oppressed and have an attitude of having his head down every time it comes to white people. Oh, it's a new day, baby. If you believe in God, like y'all say y'all believe in God, y'all go to church on Wednesdays and Sundays. And I don't need no man but God. But where's God when you go through them changes? Or when you go through them tests? Where's your God then? Goddamn hypocrites. Like I said, man, we need help. We need some adjustment. Real talk. I mean, even Serena claiming that black men treat women wrong and white men treat them better. Everybody got to realize, man, we've been put in a situation. And ever since we tried to so-called form Voltron and hold hands and kumbaya, the black family has not been elevated at all. Not even by a degree. At least we had a family back then. Now, you know, and since we all together and all, we all in one, why y'all trying to take the history out of these high school books? Why are you trying to erase what we done built? Folks, y'all gotta realize, man, this is a real serious matter. Our children, we send them to these schools. They die. We let white people diagnose our children. We give them the authority over our children. And yes, I sent my child in school. We all doing it. But we gotta do better, man. You see how they treating our children. I can remember having a phone call about it was a conference call about my son, and I heard it was a black woman and it was a white woman on the phone, and they were talking to me, but the white woman was talking to me as if I was a patient, And if I was as if I was a little child or whatnot. And I can hear the emotion of the sister in the background, like, man, I wish this bitch would just shut the fuck up. But that's what they think about us, brothers and sisters. I'm just being real with you. Just being real with you. I ain't telling you to go out there and go rebel, but you need to separate. Separate from mine. Buy with your folks. Save your chips. Because the dollar bill ain't going to be worth shit pretty soon. So you got to do something. Hell, get some land, build you some mud houses. Generate you some electricity. It's coming. It is coming. I mean, this stuff going all over the world, man. And before I leave, I got a clip from my brother. I'll tell you about my brother Maurice Muhammad. Hey, like his channel. Subscribe to it. He got that goddamn fire, man. And I love that brother. Brother Maurice, I love you, brother, man. I got a clip from him. Man, I want you to hear the stuff they spitting in there, man. And I'm talking about, man, he is on that fire. But he about elevating his people, which ain't nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with elevating your people. And, okay, he has a clip where this guy, a black guy, I believe in South Carolina, he's going before the police department about this unequal justice we've been getting, you know? But people, our brother Maurice, man, hey, my man, he go hard in the paint, man. I love that brother. Love that brother.
Now, this is at a school board meeting where the police officer took our sister that was sitting in the desk and threw her out while she was in the desk, threw her down there on the floor and all that foolishness, I believe over a cell phone, or the teacher asked her to leave and she wouldn't leave. And that's how the enemy dealt with her. But we as men have to be able to step up and speak up. And we have to do exactly what Brother Craig has done. Most of you black men are thinking, but you're afraid to say it. And that's right. See, most of our brothers are thinking it, but they are afraid to open their mouth and say it. I know it's there within you. I know you see it and you feel it. But out of that weakness called fear, you don't want to let it out because you're afraid of what's going to happen to you. Now, you all see I say what the hell I want to say. And I don't hide my face. I show my face. And I don't mince my words. Because if I can do it, if Brother Craig can do it, you can do it as well. You can do it as well. What makes the enemy better than you? They don't give a damn when you record them and they calling you nigga up and down and inside and out, or they whooping your ass from one end of the street to the other. They don't give a damn. So why should you? Why should you care about what they think when they don't give a damn what you think? They don't give a damn what your children think. There's no need to play the hush mouth role. You don't need to do that. You have the freedom and the ability to speak. Do it. I don't define this guy. Of me. That was my daughter. She is my daughter. She don't have to belong to you biologically. That officer being fired will be the least of his worries. We're sick and tired of black women being abused. You can say it's not racial all you want to. But this is going on all across this country every day. You can say it's not racism. You can say it's the student, but that student, as I understand, not his physical daughter, she's still his daughter.
That's right.
And that is the mentality that we have to have as a people. Because with that mentality, then you know I need to step up and handle this situation. I ain't got to wait for somebody to give an order or a command. My love gives me the command to step up and handle the situation.
Teach.
And don't be afraid. Take charge. Didn't have a father like me. I would have been out there that day to deal with that situation in the most savage. That's right. I do not touch nobody's child, whether they're white or black. And that meant I would put my hands on a white child and throw her across the room, slam her on the floor. Her father will have every right to come and take my life if he chooses to do so. Now, see, he's giving you law.
That's right.
He's giving you law. What is the punishment for the abuse of your child? You take that goddamn head straight off. And you don't mince words about it. You know you're dealing with an enemy, so you deal with that enemy exactly how he should be dealt with. This ain't no goddamn game. And as a father, you put your hands on mine like that. You don't have to worry about him being fired.
Goddamn right.
That's right. So you guys, you are responsible for these people. Sure not, you're responsible for these people. I have no fear, none whatsoever of you. That's right. See, and that is the thing. When you get that fear removed,
tell them no.
Oh my God. The God that you become, fearless and willing and ready for whatever needs to happen. Of the sheriff or any other officer. Because that officer is a particular overseer. Now, I'm not a violent, crazy man. I don't have a record. But I would not tolerate this kind of insanity coming from no man touching a child in that manner. So, South Carolina, you're doing yourself well across the world. You killed 9 people in Charleston. You shoot the young brother on Broadway Road for going to get his license and registration. And now you're beating up young girls in school. And you are thinking about firing him. He should have been gone that day. Why is he still working? And you want more men like me who are feeling like me to get this rage up in them to deal with this ourselves? Is that what you're forcing us to do? Mr. Caldwell, threats are not. I'm not threatening. I'm just not a threat. I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you all. All men who have this kind of feeling to be built up in this like this for treating our children like that. If you want that, you're going to get that. That's right.
Damn right.
You can stop. So it's up to you. I'm asking you that question. It's up to you and you to stop. Not me. Because this is a reaction to an equal and opposite action. Thank you. Thank you for your comments.
Now see. That's why I couldn't have no girl. Motherfucker put their hands on my feet, man. I love my little boy like I've asked if I had a little girl to shoot though. But I'm telling you, little girl, oh yeah, I'm dying that day. I'm not scared to die, especially with something right and it's mine. And brothers and sisters, we need to take that up. We need to take up the mantle. Stop being scared. Get that fear out your heart. I'm not telling you to go start shit, but when you confront it, don't be scared. Go do that shit. That's your boy Musa, man. Fired up. Y'all have a lovely Tuesday morning, even though it's raining. But don't let them put their foot on your neck. Peace out.